have some K-Jet lines ordered for it because I had 3 of mine break, so those should be here in a few days, and hopefully I'll have this thing running here shortly. Once I get it running, I'm going to be doing a lot of work to it and getting it back on the road soon, actually. Today's video, guys, we're going to be doing just some house and yard maintenance. I'm going to be doing a list on my channel where it's just dedicated to that stuff. This video I'm doing the driveway, pressure wash the driveway. I do a little bit of pressure washing on the porch on the front. It's not really on the video, you can't see it. I just have the camera set up so you can see the driveway. Also, there's bushes that run along the house here that were overgrown, and there was a tree that was overgrown. Actually, there was another tree in front of the back garage that was overgrown. I trimmed all that, and then there's a pile of brush pretty much behind this window here over in the yard. There's a pile of brush that I've been working at, trying to get mulched down, and got a big chunk of that knocked out. So I should have that brush pile done soon, and today we're going to be doing some yard work. I got the wood chipper out, and I also have the chainsaw. We're going to be tackling this brush pile here. days this time. I've been doing a lot of detailing work on the paint. Hopefully I'll have most of this car done within the next few days. It's a lot of work detailing this. The paint was pretty shot, but it's coming back pretty nice. I mean, it's all starting to shine now, so I'm very happy. But anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys, and we'll see you next time.